Dumbfoundry.
Okay, so here's a fact that stopped me cold. You can now run a fully automated AI-powered farm from your backyard with zero software licensing costs, like completely free.
Wait, free? That sounds like one of those things that's technically free, but you end up spending 3 weekends crying over a Raspberry Pi.
Okay, fair, there's setup involved. But listen, there's this whole mature ecosystem of open-source farming tools. We're talking FarmBot, which is literally a CNC robot that plants seeds, waters individual plants, and weeds your raised bed with millimeter precision.
A robot gardener, for real.
For real, open source, REST API, the whole thing. And then you've got farmOS. Think of it as a farm management database that the United Nations actually endorses, tracking your crops, soil tests, harvests, everything, and Mycodo for controlling greenhouse environments. Temperature, CO2, humidity, grow lights, all automated.
Okay, but these are all separate tools. Who's stitching them together? Because that's usually where the dream dies.
That's exactly the point. That's where Agent Zero comes in. It acts as the intelligent nervous system connecting all of it. It can hit their APIs, run Python code, read sensor data, analyze plant photos, check the weather forecast, and make decisions.
What kind of decisions, though?
Real ones. The report gives this example. You ask, how are my tomatoes doing? And Agent Zero checks the FarmBot camera images, cross-references soil sensor readings, notices nitrogen is low, schedules a compost tea application for 6 a.m. tomorrow when soil temperature is optimal, and adjusts irrigation down because rain is coming in 2 days.
Okay, that's actually impressive. That's not just automation, that's reasoning.
Right, and it has persistent memory, so it gets smarter every season. It remembers what worked, what failed, your local microclimate. It's building a personalized knowledge base about your specific farm.
What does this cost to get started, though? Because FarmBot hardware looked expensive last I checked.
FarmBot's the premium option, yeah, but you can start with just Home Assistant, some $30 ESP32 soil sensors, and the free Open Meteor Weather API. The software stack is entirely free. You're basically buying sensors and maybe a Raspberry Pi.
So the barrier is time and learning curve, not money.
Exactly, and the roadmap in this report is phased. Sensors and weather integration in week 1, automation by month 2, multi-agent specialist system by month 3.
All right, I came in skeptical, and I'm leaving kind of excited. The piece that gets me is the persistent learning. Industrial farms have agronomists on staff. This is that, but for your backyard.
For everyone's backyard, that's the whole point.